How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Average Garage. Now, this is completely unprepped, so I literally just wrote some stuff on a paper so that I just keep getting mixed up, and I've tried this video about 35 times and it's just not working. So let's start off. Welcome back. It's 2022. It's been a quick minute since I've been here, but hopefully it won't be so long till the next video. Pretty much, where have I been? What's happened with Sleepy6? Now, yeah, to start off 2022, it's been a hell of a year already. But yeah, mainly life, been busy with life and other things, physical health, mental health, and technical issues. Yeah, I'm fine now, but yeah, it's just been a hell of a journey. But as far as technical issues, my computer's been rebuilt about 35 times now. It's just fought me every step of the way. It's Murphy's Law. It's kind of like this thing. And I've had endless camera dramas. I used to film majority on a GoPro Hero 8, and I went through 3 of them before they've refused to replace it again. So now I've upgraded to a 9, not by choice. And yeah, I don't know how I feel about it yet. It's still in early days, but I've also bought myself a G7X Mark III, which is what you're looking at now. And I've already had issues with that. Something got stuck in a lens and it threw all sorts of errors and stopped working. So yeah, I am plagued with issues as far as me and my gear. Anyways, that's pretty much why I've been out, where I went and why I've not been posting. I also made a VR racing sim rig. Some of you might have seen on my shorts, and I've made myself very sick on that multiple times. Yeah, as well as the computer rebuild stuff. So that was a pain in the ass. Now, what's happening with Sleepy6 and what's going on? The latest is it had a windscreen replaced because the windscreen was unfortunately smashed late last year. It was covered by insurance, luckily. I'm not sponsored by Shannon's, but I am with Shannon's for the Sleepy6, and they have a windscreen replacement policy, so I was able to get the windscreen done under that. It's also got a new roof lining because the roof lining was sagging and touching my head, and these things don't have a hell of a lot of headroom anyways. That like inch of sagging was enough to drag on the top of my head and be a real pain in the ass. Anyways, yeah, it's had a lot of work done. I've just been tidying it up, getting it ready for engineering. Now, we are in the past tense in this video. Spoiler alert, it has gone to engineering. I'm not going to say if it's passed or if it's failed. That's going to be in a later episode. I want to get all my ducks in a row first, although my ducks are currently in the back of a police car. That's a meme I saw. I did have to get this thing weighed though, and I had to get a power readout for engineering. So I want you guys in the comments below to guess what the power reading is and how much the car weighs. I don't care about power to weight ratio and all that, but I want you guys to guess those 2 numbers, and when I upload the next video, whoever is closest, I will send a sticker pack to, maybe a $50 voucher or something. I don't know. I'm not super rich from YouTube. So yeah, I'll think of something, and there will be a prize associated. I'll make it worth your while. So it's definitely worth at least dropping a comment with those numbers. If you have any questions about Sleepy6, please ask them in the comments below, and I'll make a FAQ or a answering questions video, because I do get a lot of questions about it, but people usually message me privately, and I'd love to be able to answer them all in one video and then send the video to people if they have any questions. Please ask away down below. I try to reply to every comment that I see. I usually heart them all, but yeah, we'll see how we go. And yeah, I love everybody's feedback and comments and just having general chats and stuff. So yeah, guess the power, guess the weight. Yeah, closest one, I'll make a prize pack and I'll send it to you. Yeah, it's just a bit of fun. So yeah, what else we got? What's next? So there's a few things that have to be done to the Falcon. In particular, or Sleepy6 in particular. It needs a stereo. I removed the aerial. It no longer has an aerial, so I don't have any form of radio channels. It's got a 6-stacker CD player or stacker, whatever you want to call it. But I don't have CDs. I don't know who does have CDs anymore, and my computer doesn't even have a DVD drive, so I can't even burn CDs to put music onto. That's how old this stuff is, or how, I don't know, in the future we are. Who cares? So I wouldn't mind adding a Bluetooth module to the current stereo, but I'm not sure how to do all that. If you do know how to do that, or you have a link to like a, I don't know, Instructable or some shit, please drop it in the comments below. But yeah, otherwise I'm going to put another stereo in it. Every single speaker in this thing is Cactus as well, so I am planning to do a proper full stereo at some point. I just don't know when. I have got a couple of small replacement speakers that I need to make some adapters for. I'm just going to chuck them in the doors for now, just so I've got something. But yeah, we'll soon see. But every single speaker in this car is absolutely rooted. There's no noise apart from the beautiful noises that come out of this engine bay. And it sounds amazing. I took it for a nice long drive. I've been up and down the freeway. I've been for short drives, and this thing sounds amazing. And it actually goes now. It seems to be going okay. Like, I haven't run into any more issues, touch wood. There's still a lot that I need to do with it, but that is all in the future. So yeah, it's an ongoing project. That's what project cars are. They go on and on and on and on and on, and they're never quite done. And when you think they're done, they're only halfway there. What do you guys want to see next? Do you guys want me to do the stereo next? Do you want me to hurry up and get onto the panel and paint? Do you want me to lower it? Yeah, what do you want me to do? Obviously, everything I do will depend on engineering and pits and stuff, so yeah, I've got to keep it somewhat legal. Should I put a screamer pipe on it? All these sort of things, they're all ideas running through my head. And yeah, it will also get tinted because I'm white as shit. I get burnt like a mofo, and there's no tint on these windows. So yeah, there's heaps to do, and I want to get back into TIG welding and stuff as well. I'm going to eventually redo the boost pipes also. So yeah, let me know what you reckon. I do also have to do the interior at some point, which like retrim it and all that sort of stuff, but don't know if I'm going to do that. It's probably way out of my pay grade, so we'll see how that goes. But I did also 3D print a new shifter surround, because if you've seen the old episodes, you'll see it looked like a bit of a manual. I've now 3D printed a surround, which you'll see now, which integrates the E46 BMW shifter boot. So now it looks like an actual auto again. So yeah, there's been a lot going on, but yeah, time consuming. Everything took months, and I'm still waiting for parts. I've ordered 2 brand new window regulators for it, because the front windows don't like going up and down. And local are about $300 each. Over east are $120 for 2 delivered to my door. So I'll give you one guess as to which ones I went. So yeah, but then 2 weeks away. That's the trade-off. So yeah, heaps to come, heaps to go. If you've made it this far, please drop in your comment if you're going to comment Sleepy6. And if you do put Sleepy6, I'll heart your comment. I don't know what it's worth. Brownie points? Internet points? I don't know. But yeah, otherwise, guess the power, guess the weight. I'll send you a prize pack for the closest one by the time I get around to the next video. And yeah, I suppose I should announce also the winner of the Spotties. So, massive congratulations to Tommy Johnson. I can't remember exactly what his comment was. So yeah, there was a very close tie between these two guys, and he managed to pull it off in like the last half hour, I want to say. So yeah, congratulations, mate. He's already received the Spotties. Yeah, it's just a matter of him fitting them up now. So I can't wait to see photos of it. Hope you send them to me, mate, if you're watching this. So congratulations again, and I hope you make the most of them, mate. Yeah, other than that, that's just a quick wrap up of what's going on. Yeah, if you made it this far, drop Sleepy6 in your comment. Guess the weight and the power number for Sleepy6. And in the next episode, I'll let you know the results of engineering. Yeah, do we have any issues? I don't know, you'll find out. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate everybody's support. If you want to support the channel, please either check out the Patreon, which I try to post to, but I really forget a lot of the time. So I can't promise anything there, but it does help out. And if you want to support the channel, I will do the join thing for YouTube itself, and we'll see how we go with that, like the channel members or whatever. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you all in the next episode. Appreciate you all, love you all, and hopefully it's not going to be as long till the next episode. We're hoping to come back into 2022 harder than before, and yeah, let's see what we can do. All right, guys, cheers.